Guys, this is insane. It's like quite early in the morning right now. Looks like it's like nighttime, but it's like it's 6 o'clock in the morning, or about. It's going to soon pass 6 o'clock, anyways. Oh, you can't see it. But just look at this. There's really an insane thunderstorm right now. You can kind of see the lightning. So yeah, I expect like flashing lights, kind of. Yeah, you can see that for sure. Jump cut. So yeah, it's just making me jump like really bad, but I woke up to it because like it's really loud. I woke up when it was really bad, like when the flashing light was like really bright. It's kind of going away. The weatherman was like, oh, it's supposed to last to 8, but it's currently 5:54, and it's wrong. Okay, bye.